Kutele indzawo lesinga rejoice kuyo ngaphandle kwasebukhoneni bakhe bathandekayo. Siyabonga ke nalamhla ekseni sesikhona kuliva livi lenkosi. Sibonge sine sonke lesesikhona bathandekayo nanamuhla. Sikhonile kukhahlela tingubo. Lengasilula ukuthi khahlela kulamalanga kepha ke siyabonga sesikhona bathandekayo. Amen. Siyawucela sichubekeni ngekubhalisa bazalwane. Siyakholelwa ukuthi sonke imininingwane yethu sikhonile kuyifaka lapha ebhukwini. Nokuthi ke sichubeke sibhalise for next week. Uma ufisa kuchubeka kule session siyawucela ukuthi sibonane noma sithinthane nababeqaba noma makemango sikhone kusho bazalwane sitawukhona ku maintain inombolo tethu noma ke soshintshela kulenye group sithinze labo bazalwane laba kuleyo group so that sitawukhona ukuthi maintain inombolo tethu. Amen. Nekuthi ke sichubeke bathandekayo siti vikele kulomkhuhlane lesinawo sisende konke lekufanele ukuthi sikwende siyabonga lapha siyakhona kuyikhipha distance sonke sikhonekte faka tifonyo sisanithayizile lapha safumigate lelisondo so siyawucela ke ukuthi nasemakhaya sichubekeni sende njalo bathandekayo sithathe all the precautions ladzingakalako. Amen. Ngicela ke ukuthi siye evini lenkosi namhla incwadzini yaGenesis sahluko sika 24 sitawufunza khona liverse lika 56. Genesis sahluko sika 24 sifunza khona liverse lika 56 sitase sikhuluma ke sisukela kulawo maverse lawo bathandekayo ngifisa sikhulume ngalengithe ngisathi Siswati sami ke lapha ukuthi sihambe khona yini kepha lengithi ngemavimbela Emavimbela noma tingcinamba whatever noma emabambelela tinto letisibambelelako kuze sikhone kufika lapho sifanele sifike khona. Ngithe hindrances and delays to our destiny. Hindrances and delays or delays to our destiny. Cela ke sifunde leli verse bathandekayo Genesis 24 verse lika 56.
Genesis 24 verse 56. But he said to them, do not detain me now that the Lord has granted success to my journey. Send me on my way so that I may go to my master.
Amen. Lapha bathandekayo sifunza indzaba yesisebenzi sa-Abrahama. Sisebenzi sa-Abrahama sathunywa ngu-Abrahama ukuthi siyawufunela Isaac umsa wakhe Abrahama umfati siye etihlotsheni takhe. Yahamba ke lesisebenzi lapha siyawathi indzaba ukuthi bayadibana na Rebecca emthonjeni. Uyacela ukuthi akamnathise uyamnathisa Rebecca uthi ndawo khona ngikunathisa lamakamera akho. Uyabona ke lapha lesebenzi ukuthi nangu lo muntu vele lebengidamfuna so wahamba naye ke uya ekhaya kubo Rebecca. Ufika ke lapha ukhulumisana ke nebatali ba Rebecca nabomfowabo uma ke bakhulumisana naye ke sebavumelana sekwentiwe konke lokufanele ukuthi akwende. So ukhuluma lamagama ke ngoba babethe lapha ekhaya ake sihlale naye umntwana for some time. Enge sokhuluma ke lamagama lathi ke leswafundzako lathi ningangibambeleli njengoba uNkulunkulu asaphumelelise indlela yami ngicela kusale ngibuyela ekhaya noma ngibuyele engosini yami. Lakami lithi say to them, don't delay me now that the Lord has made my trip successful. Let me go back to my master. Ndingangibambeleli njengoba uNkulunkulu asende luhambo lwami lwaba impumelelo. Ngifuna ke ukuthi ngisale ngibuyela le engosini yami lele ngithumile lapho vele ngichamuke khona ngifuna kubuyela khona. So ke musani kungibambelela. Njengoba ngisho ke ngifisa ukuthi sikhulume ngatindvo lengithi ngemavimbela noma tindvo letingasibambelela nathi njengebazalwane. Siyawukwati ukuthi la kulomhlaba site ngoba sikhona kwesikhashana. La sichamuka khona sichamuka kuNkulunkulu. Futhi lapho siyawuphethela khona siyawuphethela kuNkulunkulu ligama lenkosi malibonga. So la kulomhlaba sikhona nje kwesikhashana. So lenceke ke yaAbrahama lapha nayo sengathi yakhumbula ukuthi angahlali kadze la. Akunenzaba ukuthi sengamukeleke kahle. Akunenzaba ukuthi labantu lengifike kubo bayangamukela sebangiphile nekudla sadla nemakamera konke khamba kahle kepha wakhumbula ukuthi angahlala ngisiye wala. Hey Nkosi yami, wathi ukuthi ngithunyiwe njengoba ngithunyiwe kufuna ngibuyele lela ngichamuka khona. Ngithi bathandekayo sonke namhla ekseni ake sikhumbutane kukhona la sichamuka khona kukhona la lafuna sibuyele khona. Lala sichamuka khona site kulomhlaba enisefika kulomhlaba akunenzaba ukuthi lo mhlaba usemukeleke kanjani. Akunenzaba ukuthi lo mhlaba wenda konke sithi vele ungathi sesibakhona kepha liqiniso asisibo bakulomhlaba. Leqiniso lithi letino latalo umhlaba tiyasibambelela ngalesiye isikhathi. But ngiyathanda le nceke yaAbraham because isho yona ithatha yona lithuba lekwekuthi musani kungibambelela. Bathandekayo kuleti bambelelo noma kuleti vimbelo noma kuletino letisivimbelako naleti sihlalisako tisibambelele kulomhlaba ngithi lekufuna sithathe initiative yekuthi angifuni kubanjelelwa ngini. Ngithi lekufuna sithathe sinqumo sekwekuthi I know I don't belong here. Ngiyathi angisiye wala. Ngiyathi ukuthi kufuna ngibuyele kuphi ngibuyele kuma master. Bathandekayo usimele uNkulunkulu ezulwini. Ayi usimele uNkulunkulu ezulwini bathandekayo. Lizulu lesimele. Paula umabhalo encwadini yaba angithi umbhalo emaHebheru umabhalo encwadini emaHebheru uthi emachawe asendvulo lalwa ayilwa imbe anqoba kuthiwa namuhla asesilinzele alinzele kuvela kwethu. So simelwe ekhaya bathandekayo. Silinzelwe ekhaya. elBhayibheli lithi lamachawe angeke aqheliswe kungakefiki thine. Manje ke asingavumeli ke bathandekayo ukuthi tinto takulomhlaba tisibambelele. asingavumeli noma ngayini yakulomhlaba isibambelele, because uma siyawubambeleleka ngeke sifike ekhaya. Ligama lenkosi malibonga. So ke lenceke ke ithi musani kungibambelela because kufuna ngibuyele ekhaya. Amen. Ngifuna ke sikhulume mhlawumbe ngasinye noma ngakunye lengithi ngilokhu ngasibambelela sibone ukuthi sifika phi nako. Ake siye kuMateyu, Mateyu 6 verse 25. Mateyu 6 verse 25.
Matthew 6 verse 25. So I tell you to stop worrying about what you will eat, drink, or wear. Isn't life more than food, and the body more than clothes?
Siyabonga. Okay, mhlambe to try to save time. Ake siye na kuLuka. Luka sahluko sika 8. Sifunze khona verse 11 kuya ku verse 14. Luka sahluko 8 verse 11 kuya ku verse 14.
Luke 8, starting from verses 11 to 14. This is what the story illustrates. The seed is God's word. Some people are like seeds that were planted along the road. They hear the word, but then the devil comes. He takes the word away from them so that they don't believe and become saved. Some people are like seeds on rocky soil. They welcome the word with joy whenever. The seeds that were planted among thorn bushes are people who hear the word. But as life goes on, the worries, riches, pleasures of life choke them, so they don't produce anything good.
Amen. Ngifisa ukuthi ke ngithi lengifisa sikhulume ngako lapha lokungema delayers noma lokungemavimbela lokusibambelelako ngithi nginakule sikhuluma ngako lapha lesifunza ngako kule story semhlanyeli. Uma ayichaza Jesu lenzaba yembewu lewele emanyeveni uthi kumuntu lolivako livi laNkulunkulu athangaliva. But ke ubala tindwe letimbalwa lapha Jesu lengifisa kwekuthi sitinake kulo verse 14 uthi the seed that were planted among the thorn bushes are people who hear the word, but as life goes on the worries, the riches and pleasures of this life choke them. Uthi lapha Jesu imbewu leyawela emanyeveni. Siyawathi siBhayibheli lithi yamila lembewu kepha yathi uma seyimila lamanyeva ayihlaba yagcina ingakhona ukuthela. Uthi ke uma sachaza lapha Jesu lokufanana nebantu labalivako livi lenkosi. Balamukele lelivi lenkosi. And uthi ke lapha Jesu impilo isaqhubeka. Ithi saqhubeka impilo bose qhamuka natinwo letinzathu latibalako Jesu. Uthi 1 kuqhamuka ema worries. Number 2 uthi kuqhamuka ema riches. And number 3 uthi kuqhamuka ema pleasures. Natinwo letinzathu. 1 is the worries of life. Kukhathateka ngempilo. Kukhathateka ngekuthi impilo itangibeka phi. Le kuMateyu lasifunze khona uthi Jesu ningakhathateki ngekuthi ndawudlane ethi ndawugqokani ngoba babe wenu losezulwini uyakwati lene kudzingako. Ngithi ke ema worries empilo bathandekayo ayalishoka livi laNkulunkulu. Ema worries empilo ayamenta umuntu angakhone kuhamba kuthubeka aye lapho afanele kuya khona aye ku destiny yakhe because so nake ema worries empilo. So nake iminako yaloku kuphila. Bazalwane, I must say impilo inema worries ayo. Impilo inetinto letilethako. Impilo inetinto lengalethi ungathi ngawubuka tona, ungathi ngawunakana nato, uthi mangale ulale lomnyazi angalali nasebusuku ngema-worries. Kepha lokhu ngidakuhlanganisa ngikuthini? Kepha lokhu ngidakwenda kanjani? Uworried lo muntu. IBhayibheli lize lithi kepha ngibali lothi ngekuba worried kwakhe akhone kususa noma linye ilanga noma aede noma ngayini, because ema-worries uhlala uworried kuphela, ulimale impilo yakho, kepha kude loguculwa kuba worried. But unfortunately, so many people are worried these days. And le worry yena umuntu ehlenyuka abambe lokwa aye nalapha ayozama nalokwa kwende njani, the person is worried. Noma ngathiwa usemsebenzini, uma asebenza abe lapha ngesidvumbu, kepha ingqondo yakhe ibe ikhashane, ibamba lokwa, icabanga lokwa, ibe worried, abe worried umuntu. Worries of life, it's a hindrance in your progress. Worries of life, dingo letenda kwekuthi utikhanze ungaqhubekeli phambili, utikhanze ushaya stungeletane, utikhanze ubambeleleka empilweni, because uworried ingabe likusasa lami litaba njani, ingabe ngitaba yini after 10 years, ingabe lokhu utaba kanjani. But bathandekayo uthi Jesu asathi kwekuthi yena usinakekela kwenza konke emhlabeni. Uma siqhubeka kule ncwadi yaMateyu uthi Jesu tinyoni tezulu atilimi kepha tiyadla, because yena uyaprovide. Tinyoni tezulu atibi worried ngidawudlani, because tiyathi umdali wathi atidle lokhu latakubona, kungaba kwekuthi titfola tihlahla tiyadla tithelo, uphathe ngukutakho nato tiyajoyina tiyadla tiyaphila. And atisi worried kwekuthi sitawudlani. And iBhayibheli lithi konke nebucwebecwebe Solomon labe bugcoka abengeke afananiswe noma kulinganiswe nebucwebecwebe. uNkulunkulu la provider ngisho nendalo nje bathandekayo. So don't allow ema-worries empilo ayibambelele impilo yakho, because ema-worries empilo ayibambelela yonke impilo yakho. Kungaba impilo yakho nje kuphila la emhlabeni, uthi khanze ungasendi lutho, ungenankqubekela phambili, because unema-worries. Impilo yakho ngisho nempilo yakho yakamoya, uyikhanze impilo yakho yakamoya seyimenza onye, and icala imenza onye emva kwaloko boseyibuyele emuva. I like illustration leya yasho kulomunye umzalwane, wathi impilo yethu yakamoya ifanana nemuntu logibela elibhayisikili. And uthi lempilo yekugibela elibhayisikili uba la kulo etulu lelibhayisikili uma usalishova, noma ke sekwewukela likhona kuthambela lona, kepha uma uthi cala kwenyukanyukela kufuna ukuthi uqhubeke ulishove lelibhayisikili. And uma usaqhubeka ulishova iyaqhubeka lempilo iyaphambili, kepha wayekela ulishova uyehla la ebhayisikilini bose ufuca lelibhayisikili. Bathandekayo, ngithi impilo yethu yekukholwa ema-worries, kukhathateka ngempilo kungayimisa lempilo yekholo. And ithi ngema lempilo yekholo ingaqali ingaze ime itase ibiyele emuva, because yathi kwekuthi ifuna iqhubeke njalo. Don't allow worries of life to disturb you. Musa kuvumela kukhathateka kwempilo, kukhathateka kwalapha emhlabeni kuyiphazamise ingqondo yakho. Kubani kuba se is it Philippians? Yes, Philippians 4 verse 6. Bible lithi asingabi worried na anything. Lakami lithi never worry about anything, but in every situation let God know what you need in prayers and requests while giving thanks. Asingakhathateki ngalutho. Alisho iBhayibheli asikhathateke ngalokuncane nje. Kepha lithi asingakhathateki ngalutho. Don't be worried about anything. Anything means anything. Anything, whether good, whether big or small, don't be worried. El Bible lithi asingakhathateki ngalutho. Noma ngisho noma kukhulu noma kuncane, but iBhayibheli lithi asende tonke ticelo tethu tatiwe uNkulunkulu ngemthandazo nangekubonga. Don't be worried. Iworry will never add any value in your life. Iworry will never add anything positive in your life. But the only thing it will do, it will subtract in your life. Worry subtracts in one's life. Whether it's a spiritual life, or it's a physical life, or it's an emotional life, worry distracts, worry subtracts. So don't be worried, but go konke methembe uNkulunkulu. Ngemavimbela lawa, dinwe tingakubambelela, ukhona ukuhlala, ungaba sakhona ukuqhubekela phambili, ligama lenkosi malibonga. So number 1, Bible lithi ngema worries embili. Number 2, lithi ngema riches ako kuphila, ingcebo yekuphila. Riches of life. Bathandekayo, ingcebo yekuphila kufuna kunjinga, kufuna kuphumelela overnight. Kuyababambelela abantu. Kuyababambelela abantu ekuyeni, ekulungiseleleni kubuyela kumsinzisi wabo. Ekulungiseleleni kubuyela lapho baqhamuke khona, because bagijima baxoshana nebunjinga. Bathandekayo, I don't advocate for poverty, but I don't advocate for wrong riches. Asinganjinge tindlela letibheke eceleni, asingakuqoshi bunjinga bathandekayo. Mhlaba ke sifunze nange amavesi. Ake siye kuTimotheo. Ake sive Paulus uthini kuTimothy. 1 Timothy chapter 6 verse 6.
1 Timothy chapter 6 verse 6.
Yes.
A godly life brings huge profits to people who are content with what they have.
I like that. A godly life brings huge profits. Impilo kwenetiseka kuyinzuzo lenkulu. So in other words, learn to be content in life. Verse 7.
We didn't bring anything into the world, and we can't take anything out of it.
Hey, Nkosi yami. Leqiniso leli libohlela isinyamalalela ekuphileni. Lekwekuthi saqhamuka singithi nje singakaphathi lutho esandleni. Uma utalwa kwakude lutho lawuluphethe wawunguwe nje. Eliqiniso lithi uma usuka kulomhlaba awunawusuka uphethe lutho, utawushiya konke la emhlabeni. Endike ngithi liqiniso leli lelivama kusinyamalalela empilweni. Lele kwati kwekuthi sitawushiya yonke into la emhlabeni. Sisela emhlabeni sizama ngawo onke indlela yeku-accumulate noma yekuthola tinto letinengi. Angisho ukuthi kubi kuthola tinto bathandekayo, but asithi uba sitithola letinto sathi kwekuthi ngeke sihambe nako kubuyela ezulwini. And ngelishwa tiyasibambelela ekulungiseleleni inguna phakade. Because le Bible lithi uma sakha umbuso waNkulunkulu ngako konke lesinako la emhlabeni sitibekela ingcebo yaphakade. Unfortunately silabanye silwela kutibekela ingcebo yala emhlabeni lesitawuyishiya sithi uma sifika ezulwini sikhanzakale singenako ngisho na cent kuleli bhange lasezulwini. And my question lo ukuthi uinvesta kangakanani ebhange lasezulwini? Ngiyathi la emhlabeni you make sure ukuthi uyainvesta every month. So atibekela ukuthi every month ngiinvesta kangaka ngitilungiselela likusasa lami ngitilungiselela likusasa lebantu abami nelibatukulu bami. But how much do we invest kuleli bhange lasezulwini? Because lokhu kwala emhlabeni sitakushiya bathandekayo.
As long as we have food and clothes, we should be satisfied.
Amen. As long as we have food and clothes, we must be satisfied. Okay, I guess verse 9.
But people who want to get rich keep falling into temptation. They are trapped by many stupid and harmful desires in which drown them in destruction and ruin.
But people who want to get rich keep on falling into temptation. Lengcebo. Bantu labatoshana nengcebo. Kula malanga labaye bayitosha ngema-drugs. Labaye bayitosha ngolonke ihlobo lema-drugs. Kungaba bo heroin, kungaba bo mandrax, kungaba insango, kungaba noma ngayini. Bakhanza sebabanjiwe sebaboshiwe. Kwento enjani sifuna kuceba. Elokufuna kuceba sekubalidele kwekuthi bathi khanze sebangene etilingweni letinenge eletilingo letinenge kungena ngisho nebazalwane kude nebantwana bakaNkulunkulu bathi khanze sebangenile enibafuna kwatiwa kwekuthi bayaphumelela emhlabeni. Ngithi kunjinga kufuna bunjinga kungakubambelela ekutheni uye lapho ufanele uya khona. So asingaxoshani ke nebunjinga bathandekayo. Verse 10.
Verse 10.
Yes.
Certainly the love of money is the root of all kinds of evil.
Okay. Certainly the love of money. Kuyithandza imali. Not le mali itself, but loluthando lwemali ngumsuka dembanze tako konke lokubi. Imali on its own ayisiyo inkinga bathandekayo. But njengemzalwane digadze kwekuthi awuyithandzi imali. Because wathandza imali utaba inkinga ngisho nasekunikeleni. Uyawunikela ngabo 4 cents uma sekhola 4 cents. Onke lamalanga uyothi make sure ukuthi unikela ngema-coins. Imali wena lonikela ngayo ngema-coins hayi ngoba ude imali but because lolu thando lwemali lwena ungakhona kwehlukana nemali. Okay, qhubeka kuleli verse.
Some people who have set their hearts on getting rich have wandered away from the Christian faith and have caused themselves a lot of grief.
I like that. Some people who have set their hearts on getting rich, because there are people who have set their hearts on getting rich. And I'm saying it's not a seed to get rich. It's not a seed to be rich. But don't set your heart in getting rich. Ungabeki inhlito yakho ebunjingeni because waze wabeka lenhlito yakho ebunjingeni utawenda yonke into kwekuthi ungathola bunjinga. Uma utabuthola lobunjinga siyesikhathi utawunyathela etikwa labanye bantu just because ufuna ukuthola bunjinga. Edgelithi le Bible lalabenda njalo bayathi hlaba noma bakhweshile ekukholweni. And bathi bangela tinhlungu leti tinhlobonhlobo. These are the things that will delay us or prevent us from reaching our destiny. Okay, asigcine verse 11. Okay, start verse 12. Verse 11.
But you, men of God, must avoid these things. Pursue what God approves of: a godly life, faith, love, endurance, and gentleness.
Kepha wena muntu waNkulunkulu, sekubalwe konke lo lokulangenhla, wena muntu waNkulunkulu, balekela letinto, unake nathi tinto nathi letibalwako lapha, kuthiwa pursue what God approves. There is a godly life, faith, love, endurance, and gentleness. These are the things that we have to pursue in life. Kuze sathi ngoba siyathi lala siyakhona idestiny yethu ayingabanjwa ngama-riches ekuphila bathandekayo. In verse 12 uthi, fight the good fight of the Christian faith. Take hold of everlasting life, to which you are called. You are called, and about which you are made a good testimony in the front of many witnesses. Lwani kulwa lokuhle. Ligama lenkosi malibonga. Kule verse ngifuna sigcine egcineni lapha kuthiwe uma kubalwa kule ndzaba emhlanyeli kuthiwa ngema worries of life, ngema riches of life, and number 3 kuthiwa ngema pleasures of life. Injabulo yekuphila. Ibathandekayo, impilo inenjabulo yayo. But ke ngifisa sifunze nangema verse incwadi yemaHebrew sahluko sika 11. Ake sibuke impilo ya Moses. Hebrews chapter 11 verse number 24 and number 25.
Hebrews 11, verse 24 and 25. When Moses grew up, faith led him to refuse to be known as a son of Pharaoh's daughter. Yes. He chose to suffer with God's people rather than to enjoy the pleasures of sin for a little while.
I like that. When Moses grew up, faith led him to refuse to be known as Pharaoh's daughter, or as the son of Pharaoh's daughter. Uma sakhulile Moses, kukholwa kwakhe kwamenta wala kwekusabitwa ukuthi indvodzana yendvodzakati ya Pharaoh. In verse 25, athi kunaloko wakhetha kuhlupheka nebantwana bakaIsrayeli sekuneke ukuthi ajabule kwesikhashana esonweni. Kukhona kujabula esonweni kepha kwesikhashana. Elabaningi kubabambelele kufuna injabulo yala emhlabeni, kufuna ukuthi jabulisa la emhlabeni, kwababambelela kufika ku destiny yabo, kwababambelela kufika lapho baya khona because baxoshana nenjabulo. Bafuna injabulo ebumnandini lapho sitholakala khona. Nayadongo. Indawo ungathani yathi uma nisesonveni. Ebunandini lapho sitholakala khona, enibani bayabuxosha bumnanzi, bayabufuna bumnanzi, and babufuna bumnanzi at the expense of their destiny. Le nceke ya Pharaoh, ngisho le nceke ya Abraham, ethi musani kungibambelela because ngifuna kubuyela kumaster yami. Musani kungibambelela. Ngithi bathandekayo, letibambelela noma lamabambelela langasibambelela kwethu kwekusi decide I don't want to be held by these things. I don't want to be held by worries of life. I don't want to be held by riches of life. I don't want to be held by pleasures of life. Ikhona injabulo ekoneni. Umhlaba unayo injabulo bathandekayo singayengani. Kuyajatshulwa emhlabeni, but iBhayibheli lithi le njabulo yasemhlabeni yesikhashana. So Moses wenda i-comparison, wathi nayi injabulo yesikhashana, naku nekuhlupheka kwesikhashana, nayi ukuhlupheka kwaphakade, naku kujabula kwaphakade, wathi ngiyakhetha. Ngikhetha kuhlupheka nebantwana bakaIsrayeli. ngikhetha semane ngihlupheke nebantwana bakaIsrael senethi ngijabule kwesikhashana esonweni. Don't allow yourself to be held by pleasures of life because they are for a short time. Kepha injabulo yekuba ngumntwana waNkulunkulu yaphakade. Injabulo yekuba ngumntwana waNkulunkulu yaphakade. Noma ungaba nenhlupheko kwanamuhla. I like lokusho incwadi yabaseRoma. BaseRoma 8 verse 17 le Bible lithi lokuhlupheka kwesikhashana ngeke kwalinganiswa nenjabulo yaphakade leyawombulelwa thina. So bathandekayo, don't allow anything to delay you. Don't allow anything to hinder you from your destiny. You are a person of a destiny. Ungumuntu weliphakade. I-destiny yakho yaphakade. But ngithi ke asiqaphele ema-worries of life. Angasibambeleli. Asiqaphele ema-cares of life. Noma ema-riches of life. Ladzinga sisiwanake njalo. Akangasibambeleli. Asiqaphele ema-pleasures of life. Bantu labasha uma utekade ekholwa labaye bathi sisathi jabulisa ngeke siye ekholweni. Lalela iBhayibheli lithi Moses wakhetha kwekuthi ngingabane ngihlupheke nebantwana bakaIsrael sengikujabula kwesikhashana esonweni. Kwesikhashana kujabula esonweni. But ikhona injabulo yaphakade. Yala kufuna sibiyele khona. So let's not allow anything. Bomake nabobhoti waRebecca babethi ake sihlalahlale nje just for 10 years or 10 days. Sike sihlale simbuke umntwana ukuthi wenda njani, simnikete umlayeti. Mhlambe naye lapha lenceku yaAbraham yayingathi cha 10 days nami ngake ngihlalahlale nje because after lo 10 days mhlambe kwangase kusho yona hayi angisafuni kuhamba mina sekumnanzi la, but ya decide musani kungibambelela. Ngithi akunawuqhamuka ingilozi ezulwini itakudecidela, but nguwe lefuna udecide. I don't want to be delayed by anything. I don't want to allow anything to delay me from going to my destiny. Ngitakuya ku destiny yami no matter what, and uNkulunkulu will bless you for that. Amen. Cela sifake egcineni bathandekayo sithandaze sibonga live lenkosi. Baba siyabonga live lakho nalamhla ekseni. Siyathandaza uNkulunkulu, siphe lokutimisela, siphe leyo nshisekelo. uNkulunkulu wethu lengcwele yekungabanjelelwa dingo talokuphila. Kona sitawukhona kufika phambi kwakho singenamahloni, sikhona kufika phambi kwakho ngenjabulo lephelele. Siyabonga Nkosi, sibusise sehlukana egameni lika Jesu Kristu. Amen.